Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another recipe episode from Borden's Bakes. Today we're going to make one of my favourite sides, which is cauliflower rice. The recipe today is suitable for step 2 and above on the 1-to-1 Cambridge diet. A lot of people I've came across haven't tried this, but it's a really tasty alternative when combined with a mix of vegetables and seasoned with some spice. So we're going to get started, but remember, if you love the recipes, please give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel for more awesome recipes each week. You want to start by peeling the green leaves from one cauliflower. This is a great recipe to make in batches. You can simply measure out each 80-gram portion into food bags and at the end, freeze some for later. Cut the cauliflower up into smaller pieces. I prefer to remove the core as I'm going. Place your chunks of cauliflower in a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, don't worry, you can use a cheese grater. It just takes a bit longer and it's a little bit messier. Place the lid back on the food processor. Using the low setting on your food processor, blitz up the cauliflower until it resembles rice. Remove the bowl from the food processor and set aside. What we don't want is some bland, horrible tasting rice, so we want to add a little texture and taste. For this recipe I use 2 spring onions, 2 mushrooms, per 1 full cauliflower. Next we want to grab our bowl of pulsed cauliflower and add in our mushroom and our spring onion. Grab a spatula and just make sure that all the vegetables are combined in together. After you've mixed everything together, it's much easier to portion out what you need. Simply measure 80 grams of the mixture on an electric scale. You can then measure out the remainder into separate food bags. Freeze it for later, but before freezing, make sure the mixture is dry by dabbing it with some kitchen roll. Using a frying pan on medium heat, add your cauliflower, spring onion and mushroom to the pan. Let it cook for about 4 minutes, making sure you're constantly stirring the cauliflower so that it doesn't stick to the pan. To add in more flavour, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of golden veg, another 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, then mix everything together to combine. Before finishing, season with some black pepper. So there we have it guys, tasty cauliflower rice you can enjoy as a side in substitution for normal rice. Thanks again for joining us, remember to subscribe to the channel for more recipes coming soon.